Welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and right now it is Aquarius season. Aquariuses are air signs ruled by the planet Uranus. Represented by the water bearer, Aquariuses are self-reliant, clever, and optimistic. They are creative and unique, but may also be easily bored and distant. Today's potion is called the Inner Child Sake, and this is a twist on the classic Shirley Temple. This potion is meant to bring you back to those wondrous days as a child, where the world felt ever boundless and your imagination ran free. This is a magical drink for innovation, youthful energy, and chasing your dreams. I think this is a potion that everyone should try because, as we all know, the older we get, the more life seems to zap the joy out of us. Not today, life! So without further ado, let's craft the Inner Child Sake. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 3 ounces of ginger ale, 1 tablespoon of grenadine, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 ounce of sake, and 1 maraschino cherry plus 1 lemon slice for garnish. Alright, so first, grab a glass. Add in your ginger ale, as well as grenadine, lemon juice, and sake. Add ice. Stir counterclockwise to undo any stagnant energy or stubborn thinking. Lastly, garnish with your maraschino cherry and lemon slice. And ta-da! Inner Child Sake is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, harness the energies of the Six of Cups tarot card. This card represents nostalgia and innocence, giving you the perfect childlike energy to view the world with all of its excitement and possibilities. Taste test time! Alright, time to see what this potion tastes like. Cheers! So if you like girly fruity drinks, then you really can't go wrong with a Shirley Temple. This flavor kind of reminds me of those Japanese lemon candies. So you know how sour candies tend to have a very sour coating on the outside, but it's usually quite pleasantly sweet on the inside. And I feel like this is a pretty good balance between the two of them. Like, it tastes like candy, but it is a little bit more on the acidic side. And again, I use my own grenadine instead of the store-bought ones, so it might taste a little bit different if you were to buy or use these store-bought ones. But I think either way, I think most people would find this pretty pleasant to drink. And you can't even tell that there's sake in here. It really just tastes like a virgin Shirley Temple. So yeah, nicely sweet and acidic and fruity. Definitely feels like I'm drinking candy, and it definitely makes me feel like a kid again. Like, this just looks so bright and fun, you know? Like, I don't want to be an adult. I want to go out and like play outside at the park with friends. I do miss those days. Man, I remember I used to always want one of the Virgin Shirley Temples whenever I went out to the all-you-can-eat buffets. They were just always on the menus, and they always looked really good, and I always wanted to get one. Well, at least there's one positive to being an adult, and that is being able to make my own drinks. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that this potion inspires you to enjoy a little bit of childish fun. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And like and subscribe for some more awesome potions. And until next time, class is dismissed. Stay magical!